Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Nation here, and today I'm filming a much needed, long overdue wash day routine. The products that I'm using today are not like holy grail products. I'm just trying to get rid of stuff that I've had, and yeah, my hair needed a refresher. So if you guys want to see what I did to get these curls, then stay tuned. Ooh, child, look at this hair. I literally just hopped out of bed and took my hair out of a bun, and this is what it's giving. It's giving dry, it's giving in need of moisture, and my curls are just really stretched because I've had it in a bun for like a week and a half, so it's time. So the first product that I'm going to use for today's wash day is the Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve. And this is not a conditioner. It is a lightweight, intense treatment that makes hair look stronger and more resilient. Got my little handy dandy water bottle. So I'm gonna go ahead and just wet my hair everywhere, and I'll come back when I start applying the Bond Curl. Okay, so my hair is damp. As y'all can see, it is actually looking pretty nice like this. This stuff smells freaking amazing. It smells so good, and the slip on it is very, very nice. Like, I'm just gliding that right through, even though my hair was pretty detangled before, but feels really, really good and smells just like a light fruity scent. Not too fruity, not too strong, but really good. Very light consistency. Slippery. It feels amazing going on. The Bond Curl has been applied everywhere. I'm just gonna leave my hair in these two twists for probably like 20 minutes. I'm not gonna do the whole hour because we got places to go today, but I'm gonna let it sit for like 20 minutes, and then I'll meet y'all in the shower. All right, so I think I ended up leaving this in for more like 30 minutes, but when I took my hair out of the twist, my hair was just so silky and smooth and shiny, and it seemed to really just kind of give my hair the life that I needed. So that was a really great product. I recommend that you all try it. I went ahead and just rinsed it out very thoroughly, and it took me a little minute to rinse it out because it felt so slippery, and I just wanted to make sure that it was all the way out. But as you can see, my hair is already like completely detangled, and it looks really great before even shampooing. But it's time to shampoo with the Nature's Little Secret Cucumber Nourishing Shampoo. And this shampoo is a very moisturizing shampoo. I've never been real picky about my shampoos, but this one like allowed me to still kind of finger detangle. And also it didn't leave my hair feeling really stripped after rinsing it out. So I definitely recommend this shampoo if you want something that is, sulfate free, paraben free, all of that good stuff, and still gives you the clean feeling without stripping your hair of the moisture. So I went ahead and shampooed my hair twice, made sure that I got it everywhere so that my scalp and everything was very clean for my deep conditioner. For deep conditioner, I went in with the Macadamia Natural Oil Deep Repair Mask. This stuff is really thick and very decadent. And I decided to use it because, number one, I needed to get rid of it. We're using up some empties, trying to empty out our stash. But also, you only need to leave this in for up to 7 minutes with no heat, and you still get all of the benefits. And me, like, that is definitely what I was going for. Something quick to still give me all the benefits. So, like I said, this is a very thick, deep conditioner. If that's something that you're into, you would love it. And it definitely helped to repair my hair for sure. It definitely brought the curls back, and I highly recommend this deep conditioner if you want something that's really going to help to revitalize your curls in a short amount of time. I literally leave this in my hair for the 7 to 10 minutes while I'm actually taking my shower. And so I love that, it's something that I can just use while I'm showering and feel like I'm still getting all of the benefits. So this is what my hair is looking like after I take it out. I think it looks great. And then when I rinse it out, like, the curls are just popping, they're shiny, they are defined, they're just ready to be styled. So this was super easy, simple, loved it. So now we're gonna go ahead and style. I've never done this combo before, but I'm just trying to use up some products that are just sitting around. So for my leave-in, we're going in with this Mielle Pomegranate and Honey leave-in conditioner. I really like this stuff. It gives your hair a lot of shine and definition, and it's pretty moisturizing as well. And then for some hold and extra shine and extra definition, really this could be used as a one product wash and go, but this is the main choice. Do It Fro the Culture Bold Buttery Gel. This isn't for someone who does not like a strong hold, but for me, I don't mind it because it makes my wash and goes last longer. This gives your hair a ton of shine, a ton of definition, and a ton of hold. So I'm gonna use these together. I'm feeling like my hair is gonna be extremely defined, extremely shiny, and it's going to last me all week. So typically I only do my hair in 2 sections because I just don't feel like going in real small, tiny sections anymore. I used to do that even when my hair was really short, but I don't like doing that no more. So we're gonna do 2 sections. This stuff, oh my gosh, it smells so good. Like, I love a good fruity scent, and it just smells delicious. Here, so y'all can see, it's like a little bit light in consistency. It's not a very thick leave-in, but also it's not extremely slippery. Like, my hair is gliding through, it has some slip, but it's not extremely extra slippery. But it smells divine. And it's just gliding through nicely. So I'm gonna do a little bit more. I do not go easy on my products. I am very, very heavy-handed. especially with something like a leave-in conditioner. I like more of that than the gel. So let me show you guys up close. Like I said, it makes my hair very, very shiny. It's already giving me some bomb definition. Yeah. Our leave-in is in for the most part. Another little close-up. Yo, look at this. Look at this. Okay, so the gel has this very thick gel consistency and the color is black. It has this interesting smell, but it's not like very strong. It's not my favorite, but like I said, it's not strong, so it doesn't last, but it is sticky, y'all. Sticky. So I'm gonna just go in. Y'all see, like, I feel like it instantly just gave me even more shine. So as you can clearly see, this side with the Bold Buttery gel is a lot more defined, kind of more weighed down, not as full and fluffy as this side. So I'm gonna go in with the Bold Buttery gel over here, and I need to add some more water because I told y'all about this high porosity hair. It's already feeling like it's almost dry that fast. I'm taking a good chalk and we just gonna apply it all over. I'm really gonna concentrate on up here in this area where my hair does not curl like the rest. And it is just gliding through, really adding the definition. And that's it. I just went in with 2 decent sized clumps in each section. Took care of up here. This is what my hair is looking like with the gel and the leave-in applied to both sections. It is very, very shiny, very, very defined, and I'm really loving how it's looking. All right, so I'm back. It's the very end of the day. I've been outside in the heat, 90-degree weather all day today, and I let my curls air dry. And honestly, like when it was drying, I did not like it. Like my hair was just flat. There was no like volume or anything. It was very just defined, very crunchy, and very just flat. And I still don't have like a whole bunch of volume, but for day one hair, I think the results are really, really good. Especially because this back section that usually does not hold a curl at all actually held a curl and withstood the 90-degree weather outside. Show you the back. So the shine is there, the definition is there. I definitely have a slight crunch that over time I think will fade as normal gels do, and this is definitely gonna last me throughout the week. But y'all, look at the shine. Look at the definition. Yeah, like no diamond brush, no finger coiling, no none of that. Just applying the product and letting it air dry. So very pleased. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please comment, like, subscribe, share. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.